Which is the first High Court established in India? A. Calcutta High Court. B. Bombay High Court. C. Madras High Court. D. Allahabad High Court. Answer: A. Calcutta High Court. The Calcutta High Court was established on the 1st of July 1862, making it the first High Court in India. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the establishment of High Courts? A. Article 214. B. Article 224. C. Article 226. D. Article 228. Answer: A. Article 214. Article 214 states that there shall be a High Court for each state in India. Who appoints the Chief Justice of a High Court? A. Prime Minister of India. B. Governor of the state. C. President of India. D. Chief Justice of India. Answer: C. President of India. The Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by the President of India, in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the respective state. Which is the largest High Court in India in terms of jurisdiction? A. Guwahati High Court. B. Bombay High Court. C. Calcutta High Court. D. Madras High Court. Answer: A. Guwahati High Court. The Guwahati High Court has the largest jurisdiction in India in terms of state, covering Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Mizoram. In which year was the Delhi High Court established? A. 1961. B. 1966. C. 1971. D. 1975. Answer: B. 1966. The Delhi High Court was established on the 31st of October 1966. What is the maximum age of retirement for a High Court judge? A. 60 years. B. 62 years. C. 65 years. D. 70 years. Answer: B. 62 years. A judge of the High Court retires at the age of 62, as per the provisions of the Constitution of India. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the Union Territory of Lakshadweep? A. Kerala High Court. B. Bombay High Court. C. Madras High Court. D. Karnataka High Court. Answer: A. Kerala High Court. The Kerala High Court has jurisdiction over the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. How many High Courts are there in India as of 2024? A. 21. B. 25. C. 30. D. 31. Answer: B. 25. As of 2024, India has 25 High Courts. Which High Court is known for having jurisdiction over the largest number of states? A. Bombay High Court. B. Guwahati High Court. C. Calcutta High Court. D. Allahabad High Court. Answer: B. Guwahati High Court. The Guwahati High Court initially had jurisdiction over 7 northeastern states, though some states now have their own High Courts. Which High Court has the power to issue writs under Article 226 of the Indian Constitution? A. Only the Supreme Court. B. All High Courts. C. Only Calcutta High Court. D. Only Bombay High Court. Answer: B. All High Courts. Article 226 empowers all High Courts to issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights and other purposes. Who can transfer a judge from one High Court to another? A. Chief Justice of India. B. President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. Parliament. Answer: B. President of India. The President of India, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, can transfer judges from one High Court to another. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? A. Calcutta High Court. B. Bombay High Court. C. Madras High Court. D. Delhi High Court. Answer: A. Calcutta High Court. The Calcutta High Court has jurisdiction over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. What is the minimum qualification required for appointment as a High Court judge? A. Must be a sitting judge of a district court. B. Must be an advocate for at least 10 years. C. Must be a law professor. D. Must be a member of parliament. Answer: B. Must be an advocate for at least 10 years. A person must have at least 10 years of experience as an advocate to be eligible for appointment as a High Court judge. Under which article can a High Court judge be impeached? A. Article 124. B. Article 217. C. Article 235. D. Article 311. Answer. B. Article 217. Article 217 provides for the procedure of removal, impeachment, of High Court judges. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? A. Delhi High Court. B. Punjab and Haryana High Court. C. Jammu and Kashmir High Court. D. Himachal Pradesh High Court. Answer. C. Jammu and Kashmir High Court. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court has jurisdiction over the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Which is the smallest High Court in India in terms of the number of judges? A. Sikkim High Court. B. Meghalaya High Court. C. Tripura High Court. D. Manipur High Court. Answer. A. Sikkim High Court. The Sikkim High Court is the smallest in terms of the number of judges. What is the full term for a High Court judge after their appointment? A. 6 years. B. 5 years. C. Until the age of 62. D. Until the age of 65. Answer. C. Until the age of 62. A High Court judge serves until the age of 62, unless they resign or are impeached before reaching that age. Which High Court has jurisdiction over Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu? A. Bombay High Court. B. Gujarat High Court. C. Rajasthan High Court. D. Madhya Pradesh High Court. Answer. A. Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court has jurisdiction over Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The power to extend or reduce the jurisdiction of a High Court lies with A. President of India. B. Parliament. C. Chief Justice of India. D. Governor of the state. Answer. B. Parliament. Parliament has the power to extend or reduce the jurisdiction of any High Court in India under Article 231 of the Constitution.